community, to the college, and we call it SU. This is French word for jump, relating to the jumping rapids of Sault Ste. Marie. So Sault Ste. Marie or Sault Ste. Marie, up to you how you're going to call it. This is a designated safe community by Parishes Canada. It's the third largest city in northern Ontario with around 72,000 population. It's also ranked in the top 10 friendliest Canadian cities by Expedia last 2018, and second in Ontario for shortest distance from home to work. So meaning you will have a quality lifestyle once you move to Sault Ste. Marie together with your family. Now, this is where we're located, okay, northern Ontario. Looking at the map, there are two Sault Ste. Marie's here, one in Ontario, the other one in Michigan in the US. So coming from Detroit in Michigan, it will take you around 5 hours by land. If you're coming from Toronto or Ottawa, it will take you 7 to 8 hours. However, you can take an hour flight from Toronto going to Sault Ste. Marie International Airport, right? So these are the main industries existing in our community. And it's good to know this, to understand the employment in the community, not only for you, but for your spouse as well. Let's go to the college. So why SU? We're one of the 24 public colleges in Ontario, providing over 50 years of education excellence in different disciplines. So our campus locations will include Sault Ste. Marie. This is the main campus. And then we have one in Brampton, the other one in downtown Toronto. So for Filipino students, we're waiving the IELTS or English test to all programs, no exception. And the application fee is also waived. Entry, IELTS, academic scholarship is also available. We're still number one when it comes to the student ranking across Ontario. And hopefully you will be able to experience this once you get to our college. We have over 70 programs that you can choose from. And out of those 70, we have 18 that will have either co-op placements or internships. We also make sure that you have a seat, especially for the high demand programs in Ontario, as well, like I mentioned earlier, we are part of the RNIP. Please visit welcome to ssm.com/RNIP for the community requirements, or connect with CIC for further details about RNIP. Right. So another great thing about the college is the support that we provide to students. We have a strong employment support while you study with us, even after you graduate, whether it's a part-time or full-time application or jobs. You can go to our student job center and then take all of these activities for free. You can also apply for additional 10 hours in campus job on top of your 20 hours part-time, right? So still as part of our support, we have the student services where you can avail of the academic counseling and free tutoring service if you're having challenges or problems with your academics. You can also apply as a tutor, okay, as part of your in-campus part-time job. Now let's go to our programs. We have 3 intakes in a year, September, January, and May. We're still open for September for some programs. We're open for January. We will open for May towards the end of the month. So please connect with CIC about May intake programs. I will not go through all of our programs, but you can definitely choose one that will fit you, from engineering technology, media design, business, IT, natural environment, even culinary. And as you can see, there are co-ops here, and these co-ops are paid. Okay, so you need to finish them in order to graduate. You can also see the 2+2 here, meaning if you want to continue your bachelor's degree, you can definitely finish it in just 2 years from our partner university, Algoma University, right? So other programs, community services, where early childhood education is included. We also have our health sciences program where practical nursing, OTA, PTA is included. As you can see, we have the placement here. So this is not paid, but you will still need to finish this in order to graduate, okay, for the placements. And we have our graduate certificate programs from engineering, IT, natural environment, business, and health sciences. So you can either apply for the 1 year graduate certificate or 2 years graduate certificate. So again, you will find here some of the programs that will have placement and internship. You can also check the 1+1 in order to qualify for the 3-year PGWP. For our admissions, if you're applying for certificate and diploma programs, you need to be high school graduate, meaning K to 12. Okay, so if you're coming from the old curriculum, you did not finish your college university studies, we will need at least 2 years of your college or university to be able to apply for certificate or diploma programs. We will need your high school, college, diploma transcript. Okay, so for the graduate certificate programs, we will need your bachelor's degree related to the program you're applying for. We will need your college diploma transcript and graduate diploma and or transcript if you finish some units, and of course your resume. So for the graduate certificate, we will not need your high school documents. Also, if you're applying, we will not need your certificate of English as a medium of instruction. Okay, so we will need your passport, marriage certificate for married applicants if you change your name. Okay, I'm sure CIC will be able to thoroughly help you with this, and I don't worry much about documentation when it comes to CIC. Okay, now for the applications, again, it's waived. Tuition fee will be around 16,500 to 19,900, depending on your program. This will include your health insurance for 1 year. And we have an entry scholarship for Filipino applicants, 2,000 Canadian dollars. This is automatic, okay, once you apply to SU. And then if you have IELTS, academic or general, 6.5, no band lower than 6, you will get additional 1,000 Canadian dollars for your scholarship. So it will also reflect in your letter of acceptance. We have our student residence for the accommodation. If you don't want this, we can definitely assist you with off-campus housing or even homestay. So I hope you have the time to go over our website, check our facilities in the main campus by taking the virtual tour, and also check the splash page for international students. Follow us in social media. Right? So thank you once again. I will be here for the Q&A.